In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Slack on all devices. This is really helpful if you've logged into Slack on a shared computer, a work laptop you're returning, or you just want to make sure your account is secure everywhere. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be signed out from every device except the one you're using right now. First, open Slack on your computer. You can use either the desktop app or Slack in a web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. The steps are basically the same in both, so just pick whichever you normally use. Once Slack is open, look down to the bottom left corner of the window. You should see your profile picture there. If you don't have a profile picture set, you might see your initials, or you might see the workspace name instead. Go ahead and click that profile area or the workspace name menu to open the account options. From the menu that appears, look for the option that says Profile. Click that and then find and select Account Settings. In some setups, you might be able to skip this by going directly to the Account Settings page in your browser. If you know how, you can open a new tab and go straight to the Slack account page, but using the menu is usually simpler and more reliable. If you're taken to a page that shows your profile details first, such as your name and contact information, look for a three dots icon, often labeled as More. Click that three dots icon and then choose Account Settings from the options that appear. This will take you to the main settings page for your Slack account. On the Account Settings page, scroll down until you see the Password section, or look for an option that mentions signing out of sessions. You're specifically looking for the link or button that says Sign out all other sessions. This is the control that will log you out of every other device where your Slack account is currently active. When you click Sign out all other sessions, Slack will ask you to confirm by entering your password. Type in your password carefully and then confirm. Once you do that, Slack will immediately sign you out from all other devices, keeping only your current session active. And that's it. You've now signed out of Slack on all other devices and tightened the security of your account.